Welcome to ExiArts live session. Now, today I want to make a Euro pallet. I just bought this the other day from the craft store, and this is a little bit more special tube with, you can see, sharper, how to say, more correct and sharper glue diffuser or whatever this is, for more correct and proper gluing the miniatures. This will be very helpful. I like it. I bought this from the Pulpos craft store in Zwolle, in the local big town called Zwolle. I live in Schwarzlaus, the Netherlands now. For those of you who don't know, my name is Christo, and I am Bulgarian artist and an artisan, and I love also making miniatures, except also drawing, fantasy arts. I also love making miniatures, and tonight I bought this also acrylic paints from the craft store. I was about to make an update with a video update on TikTok and on YouTube, but I couldn't have the time to the last couple of days because I'm going to my daily work in the warehouse. I'm then tired. Sometimes I sleep right after work. I get to sleep. Okay, I hope you see well. I have my lamp here. This is a LED lamp. Like that. Maybe it's too shiny and it's annoying my eyes. So welcome to my live session, everybody. Thanks for joining. People are just, it's still the beginning of the live. People are coming and going, but I see one of you, Catlinks. Hello, Catlinks. And thank you for staying in my live session. So, like the last 1 hour, on like a couple of times, I was on the cutting board from time to time, and I slowly but surely prepared what I'm gonna need to craft a miniature wooden Euro pallet. What I use are like these. I have all kinds of beams and planks. The red one profile is 3 mm thick, and this is the yellow one. It's kind of like, as you can see, it's 2 mm thick. I also have 5 by 5 mm. There's a green one, green profile. Also, this is a beech wood, red one, 8. Specifically, this one is 8 mm diameter. What else? The white one is 1 centimeter. No, actually, the white one is the 8 mm beam, 8 by 8 mm section. Wooden beam. These are all of them except the round one are pine wood. These are pine wood. Hello people, welcome to the live. Oh, Georgi, call me. I can't connect with you, brother. I want to call you from a couple of months. You don't have phone, you don't have Viber, you don't have WhatsApp. I cannot find you. I don't have Facebook and Instagram. As you know, I don't want to use them for now. At least for now. I prefer TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, X, but I don't want to fill the mouth of Mark Zuckerberg. I dislike very strongly Mark Zuckerberg, Facebook and Instagram. I loved Instagram before Mark Zuckerberg bought this, but excuse me, but fuck Meta, okay? And don't ban TikTok. Anyway, let's don't get political. I also have these, what I felt What is this? Oh, this from the chair. Anyway, so I have also, this one is 5 mm by 10 mm wooden profile, and here it is, the purple one is like pink one is a little bit thicker, 10 mm by 10 mm, which is 1 cm by 1 cm. It's a very decent, strong wooden beam, you know. Okay, I use a tripod now, like a tripod, you know, and I use this for setting the camera now, my phone. The front camera is okay though, but I'm planning now, researching, my brother is helping me. I'm gonna buy a new cell phone in next month. I have a birthday on 24th of February, so I'm gonna be buying a new cell phone, probably Samsung, probably Xiaomi Redmi 13 Pro, or my brother also advised me that Google Pixel phone, cell phone is very good, but I will see. I still will research. I have a little bit more than a month now, but for sure on my 24th of birthday I will have bought a new cell phone, because the one I use now. Thanks for joining the live. Please click for some likes, people, to help me spread the word about this live. Give me some hearts. So anyway, the one I use now is a Redmi, but I use it like for 4 years now. Oh, thanks for the hearts. Yes, please give me some hearts, folks. Thank you. So 4 years and 3 months maybe, or 4 months now I use this phone. Thanks so much for the likes, Emma. Yeah, Emma. I don't see well. Probably I can a little bit like that. I have a bad spot here. Please don't pay attention to this. Watch me die. Anyway, so thank you, Emma. Thanks everybody for staying in the live. So what I was explaining, this phone is still making very good videos, but the glass of the camera, the behind cameras, the real cameras, not the front one that I use now, is having some cracks, and these cracks are making blurry the videos I make. So in the last couple of weeks my videos are blurry with not good quality. I'll be honest, they're with terrible quality. But for now, 1 more month and I will be again making absolutely lovely, thank you so much Emma, lovely videos. So I've got this little tiny, this is 8 by 8 millimeter, but in order to make the Euro pallet we need 3 planks, as you know. This is going to be a Euro pallet that is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.6, something like that. It's going to be 1/12 of the scale. Thanks for the likes, and thanks for your invitation of your friends to my live session. So this is going to be the base, 3 planks. Let me, yeah, just I need to do it more like here. Then, as you see, this is a little bit slimmer. So those 3 I am going to have to cut a little bit off, like 2 millimeters, to make them more proper, like that. By the way, I bought